Hi, how are you? Today is RAM 1500 and then Hemi engine 5.7. I got the throttle body. I got this one cleaning, and then first I got this one and the filter, air filter. Take up here, and then release this one. Then this 10 millimeter bolt, 1 and 2, release. I take a release this one and this one, and then here, and then I'm gonna release here like this one, take up like this one, and then here release here, and then take up this one. I'm gonna just lifting here, this one, just here, just lifting, just take up lifting here, and then I'm gonna do the bolt here. Here is 10 millimeter bolt, and then there goes connection here. The disconnect, I'm gonna pushing here and then take off. Inside carburetor is pretty dirty. I have to this is clean up by siphon, and then I have to clean up this one. This one is very clean. I used this one. It's pretty cool, but don't use this one. This one doesn't working. Okay, this one is working. Okay, when you wash this one is not go to this one. Sensor down, sensor up, and then I'm gonna spray here inside or backside too. Don't do like this one is backward, like upside down. This is the electronic thing, and that goes to the cleaner inside. It's not good. Okay. Here is a 4-volt here. It's somebody said it's a 50-inch pound here, but this is a plastic mount. It's very easy to broken, and then over torque is broken, and then I think this you tight, like plastic tight. You feel like, oh, it's tight, that's enough, because it's not metal. Man, be careful. I don't believe it's a 50-inch pound. It's too much. Okay. 10 millimeter bolt here. Here. Also, this is plastic. Don't over torque. Like tight. You feel like tight? It's enough. Okay. This is click here. I reinstall 10 volt here, over there, and I'm gonna tight again, and here, clip here, sorry, clip here, replace is easy, and then connect here, reconnect here. I think this is no problem.